Viewing the list of people who have watched your Facebook story is simple, and here is a step by step guide to see the viewers of your Facebook story. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your smartphone, iOS or Android, or go to the Facebook website on your browser. Ensure you are logged into your Facebook account. Then, at the top of your newsfeed, simply tap on the story and upload a story. Once you have uploaded the story, while viewing your own story, swipe up or tap on the eye icon at the bottom left of the screen, and this will display the list of people who have viewed your story. A list will appear showing all the people who have viewed your story. You will see the profile pictures and names option available there. So as you know that this is my spam account or anonymous account, and I don't have any friends option available here, but once you post your story on your official account, then you can see the profile pictures and names. So if you want to interact with viewers, you can like their reactions or comments on the story depending on your privacy settings as well, and you can also send a message to someone who viewed your story directly from the viewers list. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.